Welcome everyone. I've booked a week off work and I was going to keen out World of Warcraft because the new expansion's releasing. But honestly, I'm not really that into it. So I was like, I know, I'll do like a game jam just for me. And the way I'm doing it different this time is I picked out some assets to start with, because I usually have these ideas and then I can't find the visuals to pair out with, and I'm definitely not a 3D artist. So I picked out these cute little fun assets and I could picture like a cozy game. And so my challenge is just to make it I'll add maybe some music in here and stuff. So if you're interested in using the same projects for your own, I'll put the link in the description here. So yeah, I'm just going to record my whole process. So if you're wanting to learn to code, just kind of see how someone else does it. Obviously everyone's got their own workflow. So I put my projects in here. I've created one already, asset project. So my recordings will go in here. When I export the game, it will go in here. So I'll just create the project here. I'm going to just call it Cozy Cozy Garden. No, I've been calling it Bliss in my notes, so just for BlissGarden, because that invokes some kind of nice feeling. So 3.14, I think this is the last version that Unity did their price changing, so this is what I always use now, just out of habit. And it's going to be a 3D project. One of my last projects, I did something cool where it was a 3D project, but it's all from a 2D axis. So I was thinking, like, on the boss fight, then it unveils and it's 3D. It's like, whoa, I've been playing in this 3D world the whole time. There we are. So now it's created our folder here, BlissGarden. Oh yes, you're gonna join. This is Autumn. In a bit, yeah. So yeah, I just got really excited. I want to start on it today, but my holiday isn't till I think the 27th. So what are we today? 18th. Come on, Windows, show me the calendar. There we are. So it'll be, probably even the 26th. So that week there, I'm going to record every day, and I need a finished product by the end. So whilst this is loading, because it'll take a minute to set up the project, let's go through some criteria. I want also, while we're here, to speed up my workflow. You'll eventually have your own in my, where is it, Dropbox, cheat sheets. Empty? Sorry, what? Can't be empty. Yeah. C#. I got some scripts I've already written before, so stuff like an audio manager. I'm not going to write a new one each time. So my to-do list, create the Unity project. First of all, set up the map. You playing with the bin? He's attacking the bin. So the way this asset's split up, you got these little tiles. So I figured I'll create a game object, which is then a prefab of each tile, and then I'll have the map the same for every player. It's not going to be randomly generated or anything like that, because it's just, I've got a week. I'm not trying to make Minecraft. So I'm just trying to make a small week-long project. So they're just going to be a preloaded map, which then you can customize by planting trees in certain locations, and it will save those. I want the character, you just right-click to move around. So instead of just like God mode, you'll control this little NPC that will then go and chop down the woods or rustle the brushes. I like that kind of more management style rather than you're just a sentient being. Then make it look nice. I think a day and night cycle would definitely work for this game. I want nice little animations on all the foliage, so the trees just sway gently, so that when you're looking at this game, you don't feel like an urgency to do anything, you're just kind of enjoying it. That's the idea of cozy games, right? and then some kind of generic currency. So you get 1 point or bliss token, maybe I'll call it. And then when I start adding in actual loot, like, oh, you got wood from this tree, I can then have some kind of conversion system. But if I can't, or I don't want to put in the item straight away, you get a currency which you can then redeem for something. Yeah, I think that will be the basics. I'll have it so you start off and the garden's like horribly messy, and that's your first goal, is to clean up your garden. And oh, it's Visual Studio. While it's doing that, doesn't need that one. I've got a save manager written already, so we'll use this one. Follow the tutorial on how to build that. Blimey, Unity, come on. Storing packages. Yeah, so we'll need, because I want NPCs and stuff in the game, we'll have the nav mesh on the map. So that's another reason I don't want it randomly generated. So I want just a nav mesh where they can move around by themselves. Okay, here we go. Loading up. Oh, my water. And my vape. So I'll swap that one out. So when one dies, I put that one on charge. And then I switch over to this one. Right, we don't need that. That was for another project. Oh, Unity, I thought you were there. Oh, it was Visual Studio. Blimey. Okay, what are we going to need here? Lazy log is quite nice. Audio manager definitely. Hey. Alright. The mesh destroy. Oh, what a beautiful script. So it will take a basic object and smash it up into bits organically. So just as a simple start. Hey, what's that? You shouldn't be up here. No. Hey, stay down here. Meow, yes. Meow. Meow. Well, this one doesn't have enough ratings. I'll have to look at it after, but let's just give him a 5-star. How do we do that? I know, it looks cute. And I was thinking these props, like maybe you could build some stuff in the world. Hopefully this character's animated already. Meow, yes. But we're just going to start with the map. Blimey, 10 minutes of nothing. Well, that's going to be a lot of this video, so just, yeah. Skip forward. Coding isn't exciting unless you're doing it, I think. Meow! Bloody hell, Unity, come on. Meow. Loading script. Okay. Alright. You see, I've been playing Guild Wars in the background here. That's what actually put me off playing World of Warcraft for the week. I was getting so sick and wow of the constant gear resets. Like, I might try hard at Mythic Plus and really enjoy it, and then the next expansion, it's all gone. Like, everything I worked towards is just pointless. So when I'm then going for that grind again, I'm just, why am I doing this? Whereas Guild Wars, from what I've seen, like, when you get an upgrade, there's no number bloat. They don't increase the level cap anymore, which, yeah, I'm with. Hey, look, there's a squirrel. Go get a squirrel. What's that? Look, squirrel. Hey, squirrel, go get it. Oh, I should have just started the video once this is loaded. But I wanted you to see the whole process. It would be so much quicker on your machine. This computer's well old, but it can handle some stuff. So, and I'm broke, so we are not buying a new one. So yeah, start with the messy garden, clear it up. Stuff grows in real time. That's another thing. So I'm gonna have to write some something that increases a number while you're away, even when it's not running. And then with that, I can start growing trees, so they grow at like a decent rate. I think when you log in, open the game, it will take that score and just splurge a load of stuff. Hey, I want a code. Come on. Well, we're gonna start with this one. I guess so beautiful. Hopefully I don't have to mess around with shaders. I just want it to look like this out the box. We'll go for the very generic grassy theme. Get this kind of scene going first. And then I was thinking there'd be ways, like maybe you can breed certain trees together and then you'll get the color variants. Or I could have seasons, but I think, yeah, we'll see. Oh, okay, we're actually in now. Lovely. So my process, I like to just organize the scene on a fresh project, or organize the project. So ba 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 bum 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 bum. Jesus Christ. What's wrong, Unity? You're really slow today. Okay. Fuck. And we go now. 10 minutes is that? 13 minutes. Bruh. That's my hair doing. All sorts. There's trouble, the weight on this side is so much different. Anyway. Oh my god. I might just restart the video. Whoa. Whoa.